Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Welcome back to Inmyseams. So I'm going to be showing you my easy, everyday, 10-minute makeup routine. I'm starting off by moisturizing my face with my favorite Embryolisse moisturizer. I'm not going to even try to say that. I got this at Target and it's pretty inexpensive. Then I'm going to put sunblock on. This is a tinted sunblock so you don't have that white cast. I am a big, avid supporter of putting on sunblock on, especially if you have acne-prone skin. I love that this one just soaks right into the skin. Now I'm going in with my IT Cosmetics CC cream. This also has SPF 50 in it, and I love this one because it's the Illumination one, so it's got a little bit of reflex in it, makes your skin look extra glowy and extra dewy, so it's great for every single day. It's not as heavy as foundation. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay stick concealer, and I'm just going over my little acne scars and areas where I had blemishes. This is just to cover up that redness. I've been applying my concealer with an e.l.f. Cosmetics stippling brush. I find that it gives a really airbrushed finish, very natural, and it's really easy to use. So make sure you go check it out. It's only a couple of dollars, and all the products will be linked down below, so take a look at the description box. But next I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Press powder. This one has a matte finish, so I really love it against the dewiness of the IT Cosmetics CC cream. If you're looking for a really inexpensive drugstore powder, I highly recommend this one. I've been using it for so long, and as you can see, most of these products I've hit pan on, so you know that I've been using it every single day. This is my trusty go-to NARS Laguna bronzer. I feel like everyone needs to have this in their makeup kit. It's a little bit more pricey, but I know that you can use it all over your body, on your face. I love this stuff. I've bought at least 3 of these now, and I've hit pan on it as well. I'm next going in with my Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter. This is the Desi x Katie collaboration, and I know it's sold out, but there's a ton of different types of champagne highlighters that I switch out every single day. And I'm taking that on an Anastasia highlighter brush and putting it on the highest points of my face. I then saw that I had a couple of stray brow hairs, so I just wanted to take my tweezers and pluck them. These tweezers are a couple of dollars, and I honestly swear by them. I have like 3 of them, and I put them in my purse. And next I'm taking my Benefit Goofproof eyebrow pencil in the shade number 4. And for my everyday eyebrows, when I'm not doing a heavy makeup look, I do like to just take light strokes, and I find that the biggest difference comes from the lining the underline of your brow to make it look really natural, and then just combing it out with the excess color on the spoolie. Then I'm going in with, again, NARS Laguna bronzer all over my eyelid. This is also an e.l.f. concealer brush, and it's just really fluffy. I know a ton of people use this, and it's super cheap. Then I'm going in with an e.l.f. eyelash curler. This video isn't sponsored by e.l.f. by any means. I just love the brand so much, and I love their price point, and I know you guys would definitely appreciate it too. I think this eyelash curler was like $2 or something like that. When I curl my eyelashes, I kind of curl them upwards towards the sky, where I flick my wrist towards the ceiling, and I find that this gives more of a natural curl as I'm pumping the lash curler, so definitely try that out if you haven't already. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara in Waterproof and Blackest Black. I use waterproof mascara because it holds the lash curl, but when I hit my eyelash or my eyelid with any sort of mascara, I just take a spoolie and comb it off. Then I'm taking my 2 favorite go-to lip products. I get a lot of questions on what lipstick I always wear, and it's most likely this lip combination. I find that this lip combination is the most natural for me, and it just looks like my actual lips. I just like to accentuate it and overdraw just a tiny bit. They're really inexpensive. This lipstick here is $3.99 from Target, I think. You can find it at any drugstore like CVS, but that's the completed look. Nothing too special. Let the modeling commence. But I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Again, give it a thumbs up if you did. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to look at my other videos. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, go ahead and do so. The links will be in the description bar. But I will see you guys again next week for another video. Bye guys. Have a great day.